And I got the sink in. Side project number 1 done. Oh. That's how you do it. Oh shit. We got water everywhere. Where could it be coming from? Oh wait. Maybe it's this. Maybe it's this. Yep, it's that. It's definitely that. So yeah, we're gonna isolate, which is what I did. I isolated, and then I'll repair. It's coming from the hot, from the bundles here. Made a big mess though, so it must have been happening all night. I changed this pump out yesterday. Everything's good on that. So now we got to change that pump out over there. And then this pump is starting to go bad. So I isolated. And now I'm just waiting for my supplier to get back to me on pumps. I need to have 4 in stock. I got 1 left. Got another call for the Denny's.
Again?
At Case.
What does it say? What does it say?
They got an indirect drain,
That's it, right now.
and they need they have a direct drain and they need an indirect drain. This is the Denny's on campus.
Fuck.